Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian Kontomire stew or Palava sauce. You will love this. So if today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Afia. Do well to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. To start with everything, I have some cleaned Wele or OKRO. I'll season this meat with some garlic, ginger and onion powder and a little bit of salt to taste. I'll go in with enough water. I'll cover and allow it to cook until it's soft enough for us to enjoy. Alright, so whilst that is going on, let's go ahead and heat up some cooking oil. You can also use any cooking oil of your choice. Alright, whilst that is done, I'll go in with some fermented fish or Momone, which will add extra flavor to the oil very well. Right, you can also omit it if you don't want it. You can also use salted fish if that is what you want as well. So whilst that is done, I'll go in with some chopped onions. I'm using 3 medium-sized chopped onions. Now to enhance the taste of this stew, I'll go in with some garlic ginger paste as well. I will stir everything together and allow it to fry on low medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and ready. Alright, so we are back to check on it, and as you can see, the onions has loosened up a little bit and everything is just on point. At this point it smells really good as well. So it's all done, so I'll go in with some chopped fresh tomatoes. I'll stir everything together as well and allow the tomatoes to also loosen up a little bit for about 5 minutes on low medium heat, and afterwards we'll be back to check on it again. So whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after the fresh tomatoes is ready, I'll go in with some tomato paste. I will stir everything together very well and I'll cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes approximately. Alright, you can also use fresh tomatoes only if you don't want to add in the tomato paste. Everything right here is totally to your taste. Alright, remember as well to check it from time to time. So we are also back to check on our Wele, and it's doing all good. After about 25 minutes of cooking it, it's all soft and just perfect. So I'm going to set this aside because at this point it is ready. And we are also back to check on our stew once more, and at this point it is ready. The tomatoes has cooked down very well, and that's what I'm looking for. So moving forward, I'll go in with my cooked Wele or pomo, any other ways that you call it. All right, afterwards I'll go in with some mackerel in tomato sauce as well, and it will definitely add extra taste to this. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some smoked mackerel or salmon. I will raise my bowl a little bit because why not? I'm not leaving anything out. Let's stir everything together and allow all the meat to incorporate very well with the stew. Alright, so once that is done, I'll go in with some powdered pepper. Remember, I've not go in with any pepper yet. Alright, you can also use the fresh one if that is what you want. I'll go in with my seasonings as well. I'll be using some stew seasoning powder, shrimp seasoning powder and salt to taste. The seasoning is also to your taste as well. I will stir everything together and allow the seasonings to also cook a little bit. So moving forward, I'm also going to go ahead and cook my kontomire leaves or cocoyam leaves. Cocoyam leaves or kontomire leaves is what is best for this stew. You can as well use spinach if that is what you have or you want, alright? So when making kontomire or palava sauce, we go in with some agushie, egusi or akatwa if you don't want to go in with some eggs. Some people choose to go in with just eggs, and that's just fine, but today I'm going to be using both eggs and agusi. And to mix everything, I'll go in with some salt and water as well. Remember not to go in with too much water because we don't want the consistency to be very light. So now let's mix everything well until all the ingredients are well incorporated. And for the salt as well, I won't be going in with too much salt because I already have some salt in the stew, so no need for me to go in with too much salt because I wouldn't love the taste. Alright, so after getting the right consistency like this, I'll go back to check on the stew if it's doing just perfect, and at this point the stew was just looking just mouth-watering and it smells so good in here. So I'll give it a good mix, and at this point it is all done. So I'll go in with my akatwa and the eggs that I mixed together. I'll allow it to fry or cook for about 15 to 25 minutes because melon seed really needs to be cooked very well. Okay, if you don't cook this very well, you're not going to be very happy with your stomach, so kindly note it. So I'll give it a gentle stir. I'll cover it on low medium heat and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. Remember as well to check it from time to time, just the way you see it on the screens right now. So whilst we are enjoying the video, have you still liked this video yet? If not, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up? Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing and delicious recipe as well. If you haven't still subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now the agushie is ready. I'll go in with my cooked kontomire leaves, and as you can see, the leaves is looking all fresh and very green, and that's what I'm looking for. So I'll stir everything together until the kontomire mixes well with the agushie very well, just the way you see it on your screens right now. At this point, the stew is ready. All you have to do right now is to grab some rice, yam, plantain or cocoyam, any other thing that you can enjoy with this deliciousness. Just go for it and you will love it. Let me also know in the comment section what you think about this Ghanaian kontomire stew or palava sauce recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video and kindly stay blessed. Bye.